Sunlight streams through my window, casting colors across the room. It's one of those mornings where the world's full of bloom. The air is crisp, the sky a brilliant blue. Everything seems to whisper there's something wonderful to do. Stepping outside, breeze carries laughter from afar. Faces passes smiling, no matter who they are. Trees sway gently, flowers nod hello. The whole world's putting on a show. Take a moment to breathe, let worries float away. Life is made for moments like these. Today's the perfect day. It's a nice day to be happy, to let the sun shine in. A chance to spread some joy, let the light